Hi, I'm Dueck with SureFire, here to go over a couple of little tips for the Ryder 9 suppressor. One, these suppressors, like most pistol suppressors, you can pull them out and rotate the notches, and you can get slight corrections on point of aim, point of impact. Reason that's important: when you take it apart and put it back together, you're going to want the same part on the same area on top of the weapon again. So you can just look at what part of the writing's at the top. When you put it back together, if it's not there, you can put it back. If you're out shooting, every couple hundred rounds, it's good to clean the piston, or if you start seeing the ejection getting a little weak. And in the field, all you do, verify your pistol's empty, pull the suppressor forward against the spring tension of the piston, turn it back and forth. Your piston will act as carbon scraper for the back section inside your suppressor. Go back to firing. That's simple. If you want to do a little bit better job, you simply unscrew the suppressor from the pistol, remove the rear cap. If it's tight, you use a tool that comes with a suppressor. Remove the piston spring, put the cap back on. Screw it back on the pistol. And this rear cap now guides your piston, and just rotate it around, getting it a little bit tighter on the threads of the pistol, and you can actually clean the entire back section of your pistol. We're not talking cosmetic cleaning, we're talking carbon, but functionally, you're good to go. Pull the suppressor back off. Remove the rear cap. Pull the piston out. Tap the suppressor on the bench. Remove any loose carbon that you broke up with your piston. Take your piston itself. You take the back of your pocket knife. Rotate this entire distance. You can use the front edge of your pocket knife too. Just depends on how much you like sharpening your pocket knife. And once you have that, just take your piston, put a drop of oil on it, smear it around the shaft area with your fingers. I use Geisley's Go Juice. It's my preferred oil, but brake free or any other oil will work just fine. The piston suppressor doesn't really care. Now simply put the piston back in the back section, install your spring, put your rear cap on, screw it shut. You can tighten this with a tool if you like, or just hand tight. If it comes slightly loose in shooting, it has nothing to do with function on the pistol. And when I say slightly loose, we're talking like a quarter or a third of a turn. It doesn't really move more than that. And if you snug it up, it won't move at all. And put this back on the pistol. Make sure you're rotated to the same spot you were when you took it off. And you've just done a field cleaning of the piston of your pistol.